Welcome back. So sorry I got complained about the last video I got from doing the tutorial and Arenal. I know it's kind of bad, so yeah, I'll actually do one right now. So first you go.
What actually goes in?
Jesus. Okay, so first, how do I make my backgrounds? I go to IBIS and I'm just. Yeah, I just made my new logo. Also, I add a green screen after my logo, so yeah. But actually, I made these backgrounds, and that's how I make the San Jose Sharks. So, and also for the gold background, I use this one, and I'll show you. Let's see, how do I do it? So basically, I cut out a picture, took the colors, and boom. And also, how do I make it flickering? Let me first example. Okay, first let me add a background. I was doing something right here, so don't worry about that. So now, also I recorded my voice. I know it's kind of dumb, and this is so tired, so I guess I used to really copy people, but not anymore. So sorry guys for that. Oh my god, I'm so tired right now. So first you go to pictures. I always just choose not San Jose Sharks. Next you use first you go to download. No wait, not. I'm actually gonna do a new San Jose Sharks. Sorry I sound really sleepy because early in the night, but I don't care. But yeah. First I have the logo right here, and next where is it? You go. Oh my god, I hate this. So now I put scale up or scale down, scale out or whatever. I use pop, and also I use an example. Stretch it out first. So if how long is your goal horn? So yeah. Now recommend like I don't know. I'm so bad at these. So also I'm just gonna add a custom. So yeah, don't ask why I have this. So I'm gonna take this off. So I might actually do the San Jose Sharks. So yeah, let's do it. Also, I don't know where is this, so I might get it out. So yeah, let's do it. So if you want to do it as a custom, so I recommend like. So first, how do I make it? Like sound real something? I don't know. So you go to reverb, it's spring reverb. So yeah. That's okay. This no. There you go. Don't ask. What the fuck is this? This might be really terrible. I might delete this so you don't really bully me. I don't get hate. What the fuck? So first scale up. And no, I hate this. Fuck. Pop. Next, also I recommend like using these colors, but actually, go over here and boom, and yeah, make the colors. So yeah. Sorry guys, I'm really sleepy. So also in the arena, I just did this one. Also, this is how I made this one. Yeah, and also I'm uploading these tomorrow. So yeah. So yeah, that was planning that, but I forgot, and I made that. Oh, fuck off. So yeah. Also, I recommend to. Okay, so first, took a background. Looks like I'll do like Rio Tinto, Rio. Or I don't know. Rio Tinto. Tinto Stadium. Now you go to image. Also, I recommend using these ones. Next. Good reason. So if you want to make a background. So basically, I add this first over here. This is how I make my green screen stuff. If it's not graded perfectly. Now, oh my god, I'm so sleepy as hell. Now next, you go right here and choose a color. I'll do this one. Oh shit, I messed up. Sorry guys, I'm randomly saying bad words. I know I do say bad words, but I don't care. Yeah, my mommy. Now you're done. Next, you choose a color next. Now you. Oh my god, I'm so tired. And you put on canister, so yeah. Also, I took a screen. Also, if you're in the stadium, I recommend you take a screenshot. Like, I take a screenshot in the stadium. I hate this so much. So I recommend take a photo, like this one I took in BVA. And yeah. Also, I put a link of all of these. I'm so tired of, sorry guys, I hate uploading early, so yeah. I've also, I don't really use green screens, so I check more stuff in the NHL app, so yeah, have a nice day guys, goodbye.